So if I press play now, make sure the aircraft is connected. Right, we've got to switch that thing. Okay to start at this one waypoint as customized speed. Now this gives you, the blue dot is where we are.
Yeah.
And see it turning in?
Yeah.
So it's going to go to number 1 now,
which is point at, so it goes from point to point, do it?
Yeah, number 1 is over there. I told it which way to facing, it was facing this way all the time.
Yeah.
So now it's going over there to number 2, look.
Yes, yeah.
So that'll fly right around this field, but it's not fucking filming. Oh, fucking twat.
And what height is that at now? Do we see?
I put it on 120 foot. Just in case there was pylons or anything.
So that's 120 foot and it'll stay at that height?
All the way around, yeah. And all you really do is look at this. Now it's coming back to number 10 or number 9. You'll go to number 9 and it'll come back to where
you launched it?
Where we now launched it. Because I had that Google up on the internet, look.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I planned this on the Google. And there you go. In the middle of that field, I think I set it at. Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, that's good, that is. You weren't far out, was you? What the hell?
So if we now take it off waypoint and put it onto fly mode.
So now you've got to take control of it?
Yeah, I take control now. So. Yeah. See, I got the pictures on there, look.
Yeah.
You can see, and I can turn around.
Bloody hell.
Turn around to see what we're looking at. Wait if I can go. You want to go over and see what your sister's doing. And then this thing here, the wheel on here, will alter the camera. Look, I can actually look. I can look straight.
Oh, so you don't tilt the machine?
No.
It actually moves the camera.
It moves the camera. Look.
So it's actually staying level all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
Bloody
hell. If I swing that around, facing us, push forward, and that's all it is.
Yeah, but do you know when it's up there now? How do you know which way's forward and is that
it's on the arrow there.
Right.
Blue dots, so I always keep an eye on it. So you can press that, and it'll go up there, like.
Yeah.
Because you do get lost.
Yeah.
Now that's dead facing us. So if I want to bring it home now, push forward, and that should be coming straight at us.
Fucking hell, it's clever, isn't it?
But they're on half shift.
And how long do it last?
20 minutes of battery. Oh, yeah.
So, have your phone filmed that now?
No.
Oh, right.
No. See, it says no SIM card.
Yeah.
I can't believe it, don't I?
Yeah.
But, you know, it's a first, it's a factor.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
It's all GPS, so.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
So you got no sweats. You get close to trees, you get the panic going through because you got to left and right, like.
And how sensitive is those joysticks?
I'll give you a go now. Let me get up there, out of there. Keep it in sight.
Fucking hell, don't it react fast?
Just make sure you don't get a heart attack in you. You know, that's left, that's right, that's up, that's down, no, that's up, that's down, and that just spins your aircraft or left or right there. You know, it's two fucking levers, how can you go wrong?
So is that facing the right way now? Or is that backwards?
If that little arrow there is pointing that blue dot, it's facing you.
Right.
She does over 400 foot.
Yeah, you see some going off.
Yeah, you can't go anything wrong up there.
Go on, you take it.
You've got a home button there. If I press home,
Yeah.
it should come back and land there.
Right.
You know, you could fly this from your house over here
Yeah, you could, couldn't you?
and drive over here, tell it to land by there, go to your house, take off, drive your van down, and by the time you get here, it should be coming over and landing by there. I don't remember where you are in your trees, but
That swallowed you. And then you thought, what was that?
you know, the fly tippers. See the camera moving now?
Yeah.
I'll go up,
Yeah.
I'll go down.
You know, if the battery did go low on it, what happens?
It start bleeping.
Do it?
You got like 26%.
Right.
It'll start.
And I'll see, like, get it home.
Yeah, bring it home.
And, like, you know, the motors, because they're obviously individual motors. Have you ever had to change any or anything like that? Feel that, can you? So you know when you had it, was the camera the package or was that separate?
Yeah, no, I can do it. I got orbit on here. You can tell it how far you want it to go. The circle, I don't know what I'm set at.
Yeah.
You've got points of interest. So if I want to do a fly a circle and have that camera pointing this van all the way around,
It go around. It's like when it's hovering, it's really stable.
very, you know, yeah. Yes.
That's telling me where to come on with it.
30%. Was the best you could get. We're on 8 satellites, so you could sit there and be telling
Good safe landing, Rob.
You gotta watch it sometimes, they start up and go. Yeah. There's a few things.
Why is that? Is that because they know that's not his home landing?
Could well be.
And they'd probably go up and land back where you two launched it.
It gets scary. Thing is, I don't like horses.
Oh,
I like them from a distance, I don't like them.
That's my favourite there, that one, Bambi. Because we've had him a few years, that one.
Well, hello there.
Come on, Bam.
Can you talk?
Yeah.
Everybody hates me.
What was his name?
Bambi.